Hi, friends. Today we're going to be reading a book and then creating our own self-portrait. The book is called I Like Myself by Karen Beaumont, and it's helping us think about things that we like about ourselves. After we read the book, we are going to create a self-portrait, a painting or drawing of yourself that you are going to do. Let's take a look at the book and see how this character in this book likes themselves. And be thinking about, what do you like about yourself? What's helping you make a connection to what you really enjoy about yourself when you're thinking and listening to this book?
I Like Myself by Karen Beaumont, illustrated by David Cottrell. I like myself. I'm glad I'm me. There's no one else I'd rather be. I like my eyes, my ears, my nose. I like my fingers and my toes. I like me wild. I like me tame. I like me different and the same. I like me fast. I like me slow. I like me everywhere I go. I like me on the inside too, for all I think and say and do. Inside, outside, upside down, from head to toe and all around. I like it all. It all is me, and me is all I want to be. And I don't care in any way what someone else may think or say. I may be called a silly nut or a crazy cuckoo bird. So what? I'm having too much fun, you see, for anything to bother me. Even when I look a mess, I still don't like me any less. 'Cause nothing in this world, can change what's deep inside. And so, no matter if they stop and stare, no person ever anywhere can make me feel that what they see is all there really is to me. I'd still like me with fleas or warts, or with a silly snout that snorts, or knobby knees or hippo hips, or purple polka dotted lips, or beaver breath or stinky toes, or horns protruding from my nose, or yikes with spikes all down my spine, or hair that's like a porcupine. I still would be the same, you see. I like myself because I'm me. I like myself.
So this little girl likes a lot of things about herself. And the other thing that's really great is that she likes herself so much that even if she looked different from everyone else and had spines or horns growing out of her nose, she knows that she's a good person on the inside and has a lot to offer other people. She might be kind and feel special, right? And that's what matters, right? That she likes herself. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a self-portrait and we'll talk about some of the things that we like about ourselves. So, what you'll need to do is you'll need to grab a white piece of paper that I put in your packet and make sure that you have some crayons and a pencil. Okay. Now, remember, we're all different people. We all look different, so our pictures are going to be different from everyone else's. Don't compare your artwork, right? Like what you do because you are different and you are you. Okay? All right, so when you have your things ready, let's try our best and let's get drawing with our pencil. So take your white piece of paper and with your pencil draw. Now we don't want to draw hard, right? Because when we draw hard on with our pencil, it's going to make a dark mark and it's going to be hard to erase if we make a mistake. So draw with a light pencil. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw a U shape. This is going to be the bottom of your face. Go ahead and do that. All right. Do you have short hair? If you have short hair, then go ahead and add your ears. It might help to think of them like C's and D's, right? Here's a letter C, here's a letter D. Okay. If you have longer hair, just wait. Okay, so my short-haired people are drawing their ears. Now we're going to start our eyes. Okay, your eyes are right across from your ears, so you're going to draw the top parts of your eyes by making this rainbow shape. And then you're going to add the smile shape to the bottom of your eyes. Go ahead. Now, right underneath that rainbow shape that you made, what you're going to do is you're going to draw another rainbow shape. That's going to be your eyelid. Okay, do you see that eyelid right here? That's creating your eyelid. Go ahead. Draw that second rainbow line. That's going to be your eyelid. Okay, now you're going to draw the inside of each eye. So now draw the insides by drawing 2 lines that go down to create the colored part of your eye. Then you're going to draw that dark dot. That is your pupil. Your pupil is what you see with. Takes in the light around us. You're going to draw that in, that dark dot in the middle of your eye. Then you're going to choose your color. Do you have green eyes, blue eyes, brown eyes? Do you have a mix? Go ahead and color in your eyes. And you're coloring in this part right here. Okay, this part is white. This part is the part you color in. Go ahead. So now your eyes should be colored in. If I'm going too fast, remember you can pause the video and then start it back up when you're ready. All right, now we're going to do our nose. You could draw your nose in 2 different ways. You could draw it like an L shape, or you can draw a small rainbow shape for your nose. Your choice. Go ahead and draw that. All right, now we're going to draw our mouth. You can make a choice. You can do a U shape to have a smile, or you can draw a U shape with a line over the top where it looks like your mouth is open. You make the choice of what you would like. Go ahead. All right, now we're going to do our neck. From the bottom of our face, we are going to draw 2 lines to the bottom of our page. Go ahead. Don't forget, if I'm moving too fast at any point, you can pause the video to finish your drawing and then play it when you're ready to go to the next step. Now you can do your shirt. You're going to do a smile shape at the bottom to make the top of your shirt. It's going to connect those lines that we just drew for the neck. And then we're going to draw our shoulders. So just add some lines from the bottom, right, where you were drawing your neck. Boop, boop, right to the edge of your paper. All right, now you're going to make some eyebrows. You could make happy eyebrows. I'd like you to make some happy eyebrows. But if you're feeling mad or sad, I guess you could draw some mad or sad ones. That's up to you. But I think since we will be displaying this art and you're not going to feel mad and sad forever, right? We've talked about that our feelings can change throughout the day. And it would be nice to have a happy eyebrow like this above your eyes. Go ahead and draw those eyebrows if you haven't already. Now we're going to do our hair, okay? So if you have long hair, you're going to pick up your pencil. If you are doing if you have short hair, don't do anything. You're not picking up your pencil right now. Long hair only. Long hair, draw a small dot above your head. Okay? It can be the middle or it can be slightly to the side. Okay? It can be the middle or slightly to the side. Your choice. Okay? Then you're going to take the dot, you're going to put your pencil on the dot, and you're going to create the start of your hair by drawing lines to the top of your face. Okay, so this is what it would look like if you did your dot to the side. This is what it looks like if you did your dot to the middle, in the middle. And then you're going to start to draw a line over your head to make your hair. Keep it light in case you want to change it, right? If we draw on with hard on with our pencil on our paper, it's going to be harder to erase. Okay. Then do your other side. And then you can create the bottom of your hair. Go ahead. There you go. Make it look like yourself, right? Maybe you have longer hair. Maybe we don't even see the bottom of your hair. Or maybe it's like to your chin. So maybe you just go to your chin with your hair. Whatever works for you. Now, if you have short hair, you can do it lots of different ways, right? Think about what your hair looks like. Does it stick up? Does a lot of your hair stick up or just some of your hair? Is it smoothed over? What does it look like? Okay. Maybe you have hair that looks like one of these ones. You can pause and copy it if you would like. Look at all these different ways. Remember, everyone looks different, so everyone's picture is going to look different. All right. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take a black marker and you're going to trace your pencil line. And then you get to color it in, right? Please make sure that you are using colors that match the best you can. If you don't have skin-colored markers or crayons, that's okay. That's okay. But try to color your hair, your shirt, your smile, your eyes. If you'd like to add a background, you may. Okay? It's all up to you and how you would like to color it. And if you'd like to add details like add a necklace, you can. All right? So I'm going to pause the video to give you time to color. Enjoy.